86 with a white male on a four-wheeler, goes by Curry County. We're headed north toward Barnfield. We're cutting up behind the tent. We're headed up right behind Greg Tennyson's house in this field. Just come back out on the highway. Great. Making loops in this field, trying to get back on the Highway 86.
31 on Bill Road, getting closer to you.
Now we're getting back on Highway 86 right now, heading north. Slam on the brakes in front of him. It's a white male with a jersey, number 28, black jersey. Just past Baxter Road. Fixed turn on Bell Road. We're going on Bell Road right now. Speeds are 50. No traffic. Heading west on Bell Road. Stop right there! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Turn over! Turn over! Turn over!
Okay.
Turn over! Roll over! Put your hands behind your back!
I'm sorry.
Stop reaching! Stop reaching! Stop reaching! Stop reaching!
I got knives all that's killing you, man.
Forest City, wrecked out, taser deployed. Stop!
Okay.
Put your hands out! Put your hands out right now, I'm gonna tase you again. Place your hands behind your back. Do it now. Stay right there. What I tell you? Stop reaching! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Keep them there!
Okay, sir. I'm sorry. Oh, it hurts so bad. Oh, I ain't gonna do it no more. That's all I was doing. That was real bad. I'm sorry. I'm riding no fault right. You get on me too. Here you go.
Stay right there.
Yeah, they hurt.
Stay just like that.
Ooh, I ain't never hit my change. That's so that hurt. That makes person learn real quick. Keep moving. This way? This way? I think I just hate you. I think I'm going to shoot. Thank you, sir. Back.
Stay right there.
Okay. It's still hurting. Still hurting. I'm sorry about this, sir.
I'm not mad at you.
Yeah.
Stay right there, okay?
I got you. I got you.
Watch your foot. Pull your foot in.
Oh, sorry.
Go ahead. Tempo. Can you start at 1016, move a probe out of the abdominal area?
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
It's been a little bit.
That's right.
Whose fool is that?
That's my dad's.
Is it stolen?
No, that's my dad. My dad's zero again.
Alright, what's your leg?
Alright.
What?
Oh, I think I just pulled really once again. I think I stepped on it or something. I don't know what it is.
I got an ambulance coming to check you out.
No, I'm alright.
They got to remove that, okay?
Oh,
What y'all?